So we've put it together in an order that we think makes the most sense. And day one, we've called ambition. So the focus of this is the vision, direction, and the sort of long term intent of the agency. Hugely important. So having a target, what setting the goal to start with the end in mind and all that sort of stuff. So day one is about ambition, but intent, not just aspiration. So we sort of start off in this day, and we're going to look at how agencies grow and how long-term thinking is often demoted to being a secondary importance or secondary pressure with client demands, etc., and short-term decision making sort of takes precedence. So often this long-term thinking agency owners really struggle with. Then we're going to sort of help people define what success actually means for them, not just revenue, but profit, but of course, but lifestyle as well, long-term value building for some, freedom for others in terms of running more of a lifestyle business. So we're going to look at all the different nuances of that and help the agency owners in the room define what their version of success is in that sense. We're then going to look at how when we made our strategic choice, how you have to have trade-offs and make decisions in a certain way when you have your ambition is clear. Sometimes you have to make decisions which have consequences. So we're going to help people face into those, and finally then translate the ambition into a direction. So build a long-term plan for people to focus on. So the outcome of this day ambition is really clarity. It's where find out where your agency is going, why that matters to you, and what the strategic priorities required to help you move forward with intent rather than just drift along, as many of us can fall into doing if we're not careful.